All right, good morning, guys. It's time for the lunch shake. Everything's prepared. Let's get to it. 100 grams of already blended oats, 3 bananas. We have chopped up ginger, turmeric. We're going to put our berries in. It's going to be 140 grams or more. I like to put more. I'll just finish it. 269 grams. It's a lot, but it's going to taste good. Okay. We need 150 grams of yogurt. $45 grams of peanut butter. $47. And kale. I don't have my mug today, but 700 milliliters water. All right. Let's blend this down. Okay, that's better. One. Looks extra full today, man. Two. There's a little bit left in there. This bottle's okay, but the rubber, it doesn't be holding in there. It keeps coming out. Got this from Shoppers Drug Mart. Kind of a shitty brand, man. Avoid, guys, avoid. This Hydro Peak, though, don't be budging. I like it. Yep, once it sits in there, it's good. All right, shake's complete. See you in the next video.